In the beginning of the video, incorporate opening scenes that give the title of the video and show on the screen text explaining that, if people would like to have artificial intelligence, explain something for them to subscribe and leave a comment. What is wave interference, and how does it work? Wave interference happens when two or more waves meet and interact with each other, either strengthening or canceling each other out. There are two main types of wave interference: constructive and destructive. In constructive interference, the peaks of two waves line up, adding together to create a larger wave. This happens when the waves are in phase, meaning their crests and troughs align perfectly, making the combined wave much stronger. On the other hand, destructive interference occurs when the crest of one wave meets the trough of another. In this case, the waves cancel each other out, reducing the overall amplitude or even eliminating the wave entirely. You can see wave interference all around you, in sound waves, light waves, and even water waves. For example, when two pebbles are dropped into a pond, the ripples spread out and eventually meet, creating areas where the water rises higher or stays completely still, depending on how the waves interfere with each other. Wave interference is one of the fundamental principles that explain many natural phenomena, from the way sound waves interact to how light behaves. Next time you see waves in action, you'll know they're doing much more than just traveling. They're constantly interacting, either building up or breaking down.